How to create a zoom in and out effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Here we are in our demo project here, and I have a clip of a boat on my timeline. And what I want to do is zoom in to the front of the boat where we can see this person here. Now to do this, all we need to do is click on the clip that we want to apply the zoom effect to. I'm going to go to around the beginning of this clip. And then all we need to do is go to the effect controls of this clip. We can do this by going up to window and then going down to effect controls. That's going to bring up this window here. Now the next thing we need to do is set our starting keyframe for this zoom animation. We can do this by going under motion here and you will see scale. All we need to do is click on the little stopwatch icon to toggle the beginning of our animation. Next, we need to decide how long we want this animation to happen for. I'm going to make mine happen for 3 seconds, so I'm going to turn this from 16 to 19. Now by doing that, we can see the playhead has moved in our timeline. Next, what we need to do is choose how much of a zoom we want on our clip. We can do this by hovering our mouse over the 100% figure here, clicking down, and then simply moving it to the right. And as we can see by doing that, it is zooming in on our video. Something really important to consider here is the more you zoom in, the worse quality your video will be. So I'm going to zoom into around 160% just so that I can maintain some of the quality of my video. If you are working with a higher res footage, you can get away with zooming in further. In this example, I'm only working with 1080p, so that's as far as I can zoom this in. Now, if we move our playhead to the back of our clip, we can see that animation playing through. So if we go ahead and press play on our keyboard, we will be able to see that zoom animation happening on our clip. Now, let's say, for example, if I want to zoom back out again, all we need to do is recreate another keyframe by clicking on add or remove keyframe here. I'm going to move the clip forward 2 more seconds, so to 23. And then I want this to go back to its original zoom. And we can do this by either entering 100 here, or we can press this reset parameter toggle, which is going to take us back to the original zoom that we had. Now, if we go back to the very beginning of this clip and play it through, we can see that we've got a zoom in, and then we have got a zoom out, just like that. Now, if you want to delete or change any of these keyframes, you can do this by selecting all of your keyframes and pressing delete, or you can press on the toggle animation. You'll get a warning message to say you're deleting your keyframes, and then you can just choose OK. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.